Oh, look at that. Fantastic lemon curd. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, lemon curd. If you can't buy it, you can make it. Lemons, eggs, sugar, butter, lemon curd. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. So we've got some lemons, and what we have to do is zest our lemons. We want the zest of the lemon and then the juice. So I'm going to use 3 lemons for this, so we're just going to zest. Now, I've shown you how to zest before on here. You zest over the top with a zester. Nice and steady. Over the top, you can see what you're doing. No white pith. So this is nice and straightforward, and we're going to put the zest in a bowl. So we've got a decent amount of zest there, look, in our bowl. So we're going to zest the other 2, we're just going to crack on and do it, and then we're going to cut them in half and we're going to juice them. We want the juice. Lovely amount of lemon zest there. All we've got to do now is juice our lemons. Just juice it any which way that you normally do, you know. I'm just going to use a hand juicer. It's only a small amount, so we're just going to squeeze that in there. Okay, so you want about 150 mils thereabouts of lemon juice. That'll do. Let's clear this away. You want a little pan? Get a pan on. Got a little pan. We want to be going in there with some butter. Let's get that in. That's not enough. Let's get that in. That's about enough. Now, it's a 2-part cook, this. Flame on, start to melt that butter in there. As soon as it's melted, turn off the flame. Now, this is going to be one of those really easy, quick recipes like they are on this channel. We're not messing around with egg yolks and things. We're going to actually use 2 whole eggs. And the other thing with a recipe like this, you can make as much as you want. However, it only lasts about 10 days, 2 weeks tops in the fridge. So you don't make too much, because you can only make what you can use. And this is why this quick recipe beats some of the recipes out there where you're messing around with egg yolks and having to put whites for something else or whatever. We're using the whole egg. Okay, flame off, butter melted. Now I'll just move that to one side, put that on there, and then you can see there is absolutely no heat. So that's our butter in there, look. Now we're going in with our sugar. Get our sugar in and dissolve it. Dissolve it in there. Now it's not going to dissolve into a liquid. We don't have enough butter. Just get it mixed in the best you can. Dissolve as much as you can. So we got that in there. Let it cool a little minute. That's what we've got to do. We can't start chucking eggs in there. If we chuck an egg in there now, it's going to scramble the egg. So just let it cool a little minute just there. That's why it's not on the heat's over there. When it's cooled down a little bit, you want to be cracking in an egg. Get an egg in there, and we want to beat that in. In it goes. And we want to be going in with a second egg. So in we go. Nice little beat in. In with our lemon zest. In we go. Stir it all in. Oh, I love that lemon smell. In there, our juice. Stir it all in. Oh, come on. And now back on the flame. Flame on, high enough to bring this to a boil but without burning. We're going to bring it up to the boil and then we're going to turn off. And that's going to give us that lemon curd custard. So when you get to the boil like that, just have a minute and keep stirring it just for probably about 25 seconds or so, and then we're going to turn off the flame and we're going to let this cool down. That's it, we get the flame off and we let the pan to cool completely. So we're just going to let that cool. It's going to set up a little bit. It's not going to go really set, to be quite honest. You know, there's nothing in here to set it up hard. It's going to be nice and soft like the lemon curd that we all know. So what we're going to do is let this cool quite a lot, and then we'll probably put a piece of plastic wrap over there just to stop it from skinning up. We don't want a skin on there, so just let it have a minute to cool down, a little minute, and then we'll put some plastic over the top. Stop it from skinning until it goes completely cold. And then we're going to bottle it in sterilised jars. Lemon curd. So easy. 5 minutes work, jar of lemon curd. So when it's cooled down a little bit, we just need to be taking that cling film off there we put over the top and bottle it up. Come on, get some butter on there. On there with some of our lemon curd. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Fantastic lemon curd. Come on. Come on, you know it's got to be done. Oh, wow. Zesty, buttery. Got a little bit of a zing to it. It's fantastic. Wow. Wow, unbelievable. Takes me straight back to being a kid. Oh. So there you are, that is so simple. There's no messing around with bain-maries or water or egg yolks or anything. We've used the eggs, we've chucked it all in. We've made a fantastic lemon curd. Fantastic. If you like what we're doing, don't forget a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.